Previously on Sailing Aquarius, we pulled our boat and did a day on a hard.
So we got a new valve job.
Road trip.
While Aquarius is safe and taken care in the boatyard, we took off to long-awaited road trip. We highlighted few places where we want to go, and off we go. This time we decided to skip Auckland since we visited it before and we have a long journey in front of us. Our first stop is Hamilton, famous for the fabulous gardens, and we were invited by our Sailing Aquarius fan, which was the nicest surprise. And our friends from Rotorua joined us.
Hi everyone.
Also.
Yeah, it's been great having these people. I wish we could have a weekend like this every weekend.
It's been really nice sponging off these two people.
We're not sponges.
No.
Our friend suggested to visit Polynesian Spa and Huka Falls along our route, so we did. Are you posing? It is some serious stream here. It can fill 5 Olympic swimming pools every minute. And if you really want to, you can watch it or test it up close.
So I have a question for you. You knew you were going to do a little hiking today, correct? Why the white pants?
Because it looks pretty.
See what I got to put up with? This is where all the stolen bikes end up. This is the unboxing video.
We just bought Osmo Pocket. All for you to make the videos better, more enjoyable.
So you got the Osmo Pocket, you got the adapter, you got the case. See what it looks like. So is that on 30 frames per second or
60.
60 frames? Let's sold us that thing.
Yeah!
Our first day of camping in the car. It's so clean.
They probably thought he was dead. At Ashio, he was told that he could write home. By the spring of 1944,
And there's the police officer that told us to take our drone down.
So there are all these cars and a helicopter. And these deers are completely surprised what's going on. And we waited there for another couple hours until this one was cleaned up. Next day we drove by a little town called Hastings, which was very cool retro place.
long, long, long drives.
We are in Palmerston North. And this is a nice square we found. Look who's here. Very pretty city library next to infinity.
One gave what now be a second look. And soon discovered he wandered onto a stretch of the Nagano grassland along the Chikuma River. Took a job.
So this is Wellington City Center. And we just got to it by parking meter. So we are in line for, what did you get?
This is for the ferry, so this one's yours. We're being swallowed by Moby Dick. So what do you think of the meal?
I like it.
I wasn't very impressed.
I like those steamed veggies. I'll finish yours.
Thank you.
In Picton, we visited Edwin Fox. It's the 9th oldest ship in the world, as well as oldest merchant ship, and as well as oldest ship that brought immigrants to New Zealand.
So the actual ship is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be.
There's so many wineries. It's Marlborough country. So Marlborough for Sauvignon Blanc. And another road work. We finally arrived to Christchurch. The city suffered 2 major earthquakes in 2010 and 11 and still in process of rebuilding. Locked in the building. Nobody can get in or out. Next day we got a tour package for the city tram, punting in the canal, and gondola.
She said I got a job now. It doesn't pay well,
No,
but it's a job.
it doesn't pay at all.
Thanks for your help.
They simply call it punting is the verb, and then we are called punters because we're the ones doing work.
So my name is Ambroise, I'm French.
What is behind you?
Mountain.
Wow, look at all these buildings they have. Fancy. Wow.
It's a nice little town.
So amazing. What is this place?
Yeah, we don't even know the name of the town.
So we were driving and we were getting a little tired and we wanted to stop for coffee. The man in the gas station, he was kind of mean. We waited in line and when it was our turn, we asked for coffee. He's like, no, there are so many people. So thanks to him, by the way, we made the detour to this little pretty town. It's amazing. I'm so happy we stopped here.
This is a really cool place. Do you love your penguin?
Hola. 30 more minutes. Look how pretty. This is all natural, even the flowers. And we are kind of semi-lost. Queenstown was by far our favorite place. Such a relaxed and also vibrant ski resort with so much to do and explore. We jumped on this 109 years old steamship.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, very much.
this is where I'd want to go.
Oh wow, so pretty. It's been 2 weeks on the road, and it was truly an amazing road trip. We saw so many breathtaking places, crossed so many big and small bridges, and so much road was in front of us. It still is. We still have to get back to Whangarei, get ready as our friend is coming in a few days, finish all the works before splashing Aquarius, and very soon to say goodbye to this stunning, beautiful, and friendly country. Next on Sailing Aquarius, she gets some TLC before going back to water. We have a friend on board. We visit biggest marina in Southern Hemisphere and leave New Zealand.
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.